Hello, hi, good morning, same routine, ganun pa rin, aaraw-arawin natin yung sale hanggang sa makakuha ng client. I'm looking for a client which is expert to diesel, oil, and gas because ano ba? I want to utilize the resources that we have, the coconut, the lumbers, the wood, the charcoal, the running river water. I want to use it. And you guys who are expert in diesel, oil, and gas are much more expert on it. And if you want to conduct business here in Mindanao, especially in Tagbinas, Surigao del Sur, a portion of Caraga, I could give you the detail about it. Please email me or